the Great Wolf Lodge. Today and tomorrow.
In the wave pool. I bet you can't swim under the waves.
And I just went on this water slide that makes you bounce up. It's so crazy. That scared me!
Don't send Lowland on the twirler.
Yeah, that one is scary. Yeah. I'm like,
Magi name. Anything in the world. Sea monster. Virtual reality. Uh-oh.
We're in the wolf lodge. Let me down. Ooh, backflip underwater. 3, 2, 1.
I don't want to steal your idea. Do you like that?
I like it.
Nice little fire pit area over here at the Great Wolf Lodge. You can see their coconut palms survived the cold, although they did get a little damage.
Oh my God.
Now that's heroic.
Ooh, look. Mining for gold. Okay, so
Can I take out my drone?
there's a little beach there, and look at the giant fire urn.
Can I?
You see it?
FC Naples.
We're gonna pinch my mom.
Yeah. Put the strap to your Bitsy. Did you break it already?
No. It's on his neck.
Benji did it! Logan, look!
Thing snapped.
No, clip it on the corner.
Oh yeah.
Kind of dim in here, like a moonlight.
Let's see. Whoa! That was cool!
Open up the box.
like
Baseball strips, swim trunks. A lot of the same stuff.
Yes. Yep, there's the room we stayed in.
Cross the journey into a pro in no time. Okay. Read it.
Boots, you see the bridge we're gonna go over?
Car on shoulder. The car is on shoulder. And you guys
go check it out? Are we ready?
Soda sippers and
Alright, I'm assuming we go to 3. I think the room was 3.
Tribe has left their mark.
Blue one right there.
You drink out of?
Hey, I want to see what's outside or see if Mootsie can go on one of the big water slides with us, okay?
Let's go on one of the big ones.
It's not mine. I think they want to go again.
I like how we're right by the elevator too.
I requested that. I requested first floor, but she was like, that one's not ready yet. I'm like, wait, so you have a room ready already that is not first floor? And she's like, yeah. I'm like, all right, that's better. Let's get all settled in.
Come on, Bubba.
I've been down here with Kevin a bunch of times. When we were doing pool fences, they built a crap load of houses out here recently.
Okay.
Let's go.
Waterpark. Waterpark. See what room? You go to the right.
Front or the back? Yeah, right here.
Logan! No.
Over there, Bubba, out this window. Straight ahead.
So now, like you're getting older, you can actually learn how to play. See, you are here, and then you can see all the things that you have to tap.
Paradise Coast Sports Complex.
And it's color red.
Chuck it, dumpsters. Oh, there's a whole big flock of birds over there on the trash pile.
Look how long these are. Benji.
We're going on this water slide, whatever he says we're going on.
Actually, I'm ready. What?
This stage is for kids and baskets only. The rest of you have the grand lobby floor. Now, are we ready for it?
Is that cold or not?
I'm gonna go on that, the yellow one down.
All right, lift it up a little bit. You can see us in the camera.
Surprises for me.
I did, baby.
Yay!